guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to start with Orthocentre. The Orthocentre has the question has given us the vertices. Three vertices are given. So we need to find the Orthocentre. We find the Orthocentre by using sides, that is AD and BE. So by using those we need to we find the Orthocentre. So firstly, we use here the slope formula of BC. So slope formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So BC is 6 comma minus 1, 2 comma 5. So it is y2 minus y1. So 5 minus of minus 1 becomes 6, and here 2 minus 6 becomes minus 4. So we get minus 3 by 2. So after getting minus 3 by 2, BC is this side, and we need to find the equation, the slope of AD. So it is a perpendicular. So to find a perpendicular of that of the slope BC, we make it like minus 1 by m. So minus 1 by m is slope of AD. So as we substitute here the value of minus 3 by 2, it gets 2 by 3 reciprocal with minus sign, and then we proceed further to equation of AD. So equation of we find the value of AD. We are now finding the value of AD. Then we need to find the value of PE. So AD is again the equation of line, that is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. So as we have find out the value of m above, and we substitute here the value of n, and we multiply it on that side, 3 goes there, and it multiplies, and we get the first equation. Now we move to the equation, that is of BE. As we have find the value of AD, now we need to find the value of BE. Before finding the value of BE, equation BE, we need to find the slope of AC. So by finding the value by finding the slope of AC, we can find the equation of BE. So slope formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Same as it is, we need to use the vertices. So after using the vertices, we get the value of 3 by 2. So after getting 3 by 2, again we need to find the perpendicular formula. So perpendicular formula is minus 1 by m. So after minus 1 by m, we substitute the value of m, and it becomes minus 2 by 3. So again equation B, as we have find the value of equation AD, again we use the same formula of y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. We substitute the value of m, and then we get the value, we get the second equation. After getting the second equation, first and second equation, we use substitution method, and we subtract 3, and then we get 4x minus 8 is equal to 0. So we get the value of x is equal to 2. Now we substitute this x value in 1, and now after substituting the value of x, we get the value of y. So we get x and y, both the values as 2 comma 5 by 3. So this was all about Orthocentre. So we find the Orthocentre, and if you guys have any doubt regarding any topic, do comment below. And if you are new to the channel, do hit the subscribe button and like. And see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.